Hello, I'm Neil, welcome back to the channel. It's the Dad Delivers vlog where I try new things to make your family happy. Let me put some lights on. We've not done an unboxing video in a while, have we? There's probably a good reason for that. I think all my friends hate them. They are really polarizing as well, aren't they? Because if I'm opening something you're not interested in, it's time to switch off. So let's see how long I can keep your attention for because we went to IKEA. Right, so this is the other problem. It's been ages since I've made a video for my poor little IKEA Dad channel. Look, there it is, languishing away. I think it's got 400 something subscribers, but look how long it's been since I've uploaded a video. I think I'm gonna close it down. What do you think? Let me know. Don't tell the IKEA Dad subscribers, but I think I should do all of that on this channel, and the IKEA videos that I do on this channel seem to do really well. And today we went to the big blue and yellow store. Shall I sit here? I've not used this as an area. So this is the L-shaped bench that I built. Let's give it a try. It's not quite finished yet. We've got to make some seat cushions. I've been cutting up foam and put the sides on the last video, so that went well. I think there might be one more video left where I varnish it and fill some of the screw holes on the side there. This looks bleak, doesn't it? But we got something to go. This is what we're unboxing. It's to go on the shelf there, if I've got that in shot. And it's this. It's the Knixhult wicker lamp. I hate wicker. We've managed to purge our house of wicker. I managed to purge the house of wicker, but this has been chosen by the person who actually has a good design. Anything in the house that you see that looks good isn't my doing. And the advice is that this will finish off the nice wooden shelf, our new wooden shelf by our new window really well. So let's open it up, and also I can show you some of the other things that I got in IKEA today. It was our daughter's fault. She had football today. It's Saturday, and it usually involves driving to really bleak places and watching her and her teammates get injured. But and there's no but to this. They lost 4-0. They played really well, and I think this team were a whole division above them. There was some weird fixture problem. If you're not familiar with the grassroots of women's football in this country, it's basically 11-year-old girls and 50-year-old men just screaming, "Down the line, down the line," like that means something. So the Lionesses have actually overcome more hurdles, I think, to achieve their status in football. But anyway, back to the IKEA haul. Shall I show you some other things? I got a bag, which I use for the laundry, which is good. And then these other things, they're from Costco. And I've been putting off making a video about Costco. Do you want to see a video about how to join Costco in the UK? Is that a thing? Because look, I managed to get, I'll show you. We got a lot more than this. I've got some OT milk, and we got, catering pack of chewing gum, massive bag of Casper food, and some dentist sticks. But this is the, not from us, this is the IKEA haul with some random drink. My daughter just wanted to cheer up a bit. Got this nice heather, some lucky heather. I think the team might need that, and a nice pot. I got these really expensive hooks. And I don't know whether to put them on the, well, this is really vloggy today, this video, isn't it? I don't know whether to put them on the door here outside the bathroom, so we can use that for coats for our hallway before my hallway project comes together. I'm trying to make that the next video. That would be over there. So I think some coat hooks here would help, but it might also just make the whole area look disgusting in a way that it's nice and clean and empty at the moment. Feel free to put your interior decor device down in the comments, but I was thinking if I got a couple of flip down hooks, that could be a place for hanging up dog leads and big coats and anything else. Got some sponges that I like, I love these ones, and some bulbs for today's main attraction, the Knixhult wicker lamp. There's not going to be much else to this video other than opening it up, so let's see what comes in the box. Wow. Okay, so it's it is wicker. Take it out of the cardboard. So you get a dome thing, a hat, or maybe that's the base, isn't it? And that goes onto here. So that opens up like that. Get rid of the box. I have been taking ages editing these videos, which is why they've been coming out not so very often. I might as well just ramble and let you enjoy where things go instead of me trying to cut them down and make them all super whiz bang. I've got another channel which is all about just travelling around London and everywhere on trains. I literally put up a video of just me pointing at some trains and it gets hundreds of views, and I lovingly craft these vlog videos, and it sounds like I'm whining. I'm not, but I just wonder if I should make these videos a bit more loose and a bit more chatty. But anyway, so we've got a base here. I need to find a plug. Let's try down here. And the trouble with the L-shaped bench is it's a bit difficult at the moment to get to the plugs that are behind it. Okay, so we're plugged in. I swear I've got boxes of these somewhere, but we bought some more. It's, what do you call fear of bulbs? It's bulb anxiety. Whoa! Little sneak preview there. I think this base has to go on first, like this. I love this shirt, but it's got this thing where when I move my elbow, it just tears some more off the arm here. Let's put the lid on, and then you just open this up like that. So you open up the legs to lock it in. Oh, it's all landfill, isn't it? And then, nice fabric cord here. The cable is about 1.5 meters long, so it's really not long enough to reach to the window. I think I've got some more plug sockets down here. Give me a second, I'll pretty it up for a end shot. Oh, did you hear that? That's my shirt. I mean, it's, you know, it sort of looks like lollipop sticks or coffee stirrer sticks. There. That looks, oh, some dead flies there, but that looks nice. Gives a bit more light around here. I'll run some beauty shots. Well, I thank you for hitting the thumbs up button if you've reached this point of the video, if you're getting value from this vlog content. But do tell me if you want to see the Costco membership how to. It's the best I can muster for a beauty end shot. Maybe some close-ups of the shelf, that's nice. Thanks so much for encouraging me with each and every subscription. It's really breathtaking to see I've got to 1,500 right now. Right here is what the YouTube algorithm thinks you would love to see next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, right?